This week on Van Life Through a Lens, Doreen and I leave the United States and arrive in Zurich, Switzerland. Our destination is the charming mountain village of Lauterbrunnen. Ride along as we travel the last hour and a half to one of the most stunning locations in Europe. As we left Zurich, we found the roads well maintained, with beautiful blue water in Lake Lucerne. As we entered the Alps, the roads became windy and much more lush, with wide valleys and tall peaks. On the last leg of our trip, the roads narrowed and the terrain opened up, with towering cliffs and waterfalls everywhere. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, like, and share. It's free and it helps with the making of this content. And stick around till the end to see our photographs of our time in Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland. The fabulous Staubach Falls becomes visible as you approach the village of Lauterbrunnen. Lauterbrunnen sits in the Bernese Oberland Region, surrounded by dramatic sheer cliffs and more than 70 waterfalls. Visitors will enjoy the traditional Swiss chalets, small shops, restaurants, and bakeries in this charming walkable town. Lauterbrunnen offers a wide variety of accommodations. Choose between a hotel, hostel, chalet, apartments, and camping. The town has many scenic trails to discover as you make your way to Staubach Falls. The waterfall drops 297 feet, making it one of the tallest free-falling waterfalls in Europe. Lauterbrunnen is the gateway to the car-free mountain villages of Wengen and Muren, which can only be reached by cable car or train. Doreen and I enjoyed our time in Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland. We fell in love with the spectacular views, great food, and friendly people. Until next time, we'll see you down the road.